Quick installation guide for nightstands. First, secure the 20 long screws to the wooden board.